Hello everybody, this is my second project in home automation. I have here a prototype of my water heater with a heating element, a resistant and a temperature sensor connected to a VMOS D1 Arduino, an LCD display and potentiometer. So when I'm adjusting the temperature, which is called sol, the is temperature is the actual temperature of the water, and the sol is what I'm demanding. So I can turn it up or turn it down, right? And when I turn it up above the ist temperature, you see that the water here starts to heat up, right? You could listen to the sound and you see a little bubble, right? So the fun fact is also that I made it online on the cloud. I am using an IoT platform from Adafruit, and I will show it here in my tablet. So I will turn the tablet on. I will go to the home page. Of course, we can close it. We'll open again. I get connected to my dashboard. It's called an online dashboard. This is my home dashboard here. And you see here the same values. The actual temperature, which is ist 35 something. And the reference temperature I can also here adjust. For example, right now the heater is on. I can turn it to, I don't know, 29, and of course 30, right? It's 30, and you see here 30. So I can adjust the sol temperature from the potentiometer or from the dashboard, right? So I demand right now, for example, 40 degrees. We would turn it up 40 degrees, and I want to watch how the water got heat up, right? So 40 degrees, and again the heater is on, status. So we are watching here. It got heated. Yeah, it's warmer right now. A nice project. And when the temperature is rising above the reference temperature, it's of course it got shut off, right? So I make a pause here and keep on when it's reaching the temperature. So almost finished. Almost, we have 40 degrees. Almost 40. A little bit. And the heater shuts off. Heater status. It shuts off above. When it's bigger than 40, it shuts off, right? Now the water has to be cooled. It was slow a little bit because it's slowed and it's heating up still because it's a PD1 system, first delay system, so it's still heating. So maybe you have to adjust the algorithm a little bit that the heater element is shutting off before it's reaching its final destination value. but it's a prototype and it still has margin to improve. So thank everybody, and yeah, keep coding. Happy coding, right?